No, that's all right.
All right,
This
and
is
we're ready.
what we...
So we do. All right, here I hear all the water coming out. So obviously there's a little bit of residual left in the.
Yeah, and
Yeah, let me see. Hold on.
it's gonna be a.
What size is that?
It's about a 15.
We had 15 minutes. Hold on.
No, it's smaller.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
okay.
like a 14 or a 13.
Okay, I've got I've got 14 here,
Yeah, I think it's either that or 13.
and I've got a 13 here. Okay.
Break that loose and that head come off.
13. Holding up the motor for the mounts, the motor mounts. Oh, don't! I see it. It's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, thank God. The truth. There's
Pretty good. It definitely didn't bust on this side.
nope.
Sure.
Nope. Look how beautiful it is.
Man, those are so light.
Really? Are they aluminum or cast? They're cast.
They're aluminum.
Aluminum. Okay, I wasn't sure. I couldn't remember. I figured they was.
Easier to break it loose.
Oh yeah, for sure. Alright, we got the exhaust off. Got the EGR valve tube that pulled out. He's got 3 more bolts after this one, I believe. And we're gonna pull that head off next.
It's going to be a deep.
Yep. Hold on. Let's see.
Almost.
Damn. You see how it's washed on that one?
It's clean.
Yeah,
Look
it's
how
all clean.
badly it's blown.
Oh,
that one's
shit.
totally shot.
I can't see because of the EGR valve, but I can see it with my
We'll
eyes.
get it.
God, so sorry. So you think? What do you think caused the ridge? You think just heat, like leaned out
it
and
just got that hot and
Yeah.
it just, you know.
It's kind of like a torch. Right
Surprised there wasn't no. Wonder where that material went.
Yeah, I mean,
burned it
exhaust, burned it up. Yeah.
It was
Might go ahead and
chugging.
go down.
It was fucking chugging.
Is that to the bottom? Am I going
No.
back up yet?
No, not yet.
Oh shit!
But
Just
there
hit
is.
the battery.
Oh, it's beautiful. There's nothing. There's no ring ridge. It's beautiful.
It'll be fine. I really do think
Yeah,
it'll be
it's gonna be
fine.
fine.
It's above the ring, so it should be fine.
All right. There
Just
it
going
is.
back up, right?
Just wish I can get most of that. Well, I'm gonna try.